We are in the apartment 2E at 211 West 106th Street. I'm at the entrance right now. There's a large closet by the front door. It's like a foyer. Actually nice. You can fit some furniture here. The kitchen, windowed kitchen. It has a view of the same building where we're at right now. It's about 70-story high. The kitchen. Okay, we're proceeding to the living room. But first, I'm gonna give you the reverse view of the entrance. So, this is the entrance, and now we're on to the living room. So this building across from us is a separate building, and it's about 6-story high, and it's not going to be sun-drenched, but it's quiet. There's a building across from us, it's 6-story high. We are away from the main street, and it's very quiet. There are window AC units that you can install or have someone else install it for you. No central AC. You have good closet space. There's a laundry in the building. Okay, we're going into the second bedroom. Someone left AC behind. If you see an AC left in the apartment you're going to rent, most likely it was left by the previous tenant, and the landlord will not be responsible for upkeep of this unit. So if it doesn't work at some point, you'll just have to throw it out or fix it. Good closet space. Someone left a lot of things behind, but that all will be gone. Yeah, you can see at least how much can fit. It has high ceilings. So, reverse view from where I just came from, little hallway. And another view for the bedroom. Alright, and I'm going to show you the bathroom. There's the bathroom. This window. And this is the reverse view for a lot of space. You can decorate really nicely. And this apartment is very quiet.